Master the complexities of CCNP routing and switching. Elevate your expertise and become the definitive authority in network infrastructure. Develop the precision to isolate and resolve critical failures. Achieve superior network performance through advanced diagnostic methodologies and rapid incident resolution. Establish a rigorous framework for systematic diagnostics, master stable switching environments, and gain total control over advanced high-availability routing logic. Accelerate your career as a senior network engineer. With annual demand growing by 18%, you are positioning yourself for top-tier industry compensation. Move beyond reactive troubleshooting. Gain the surgical precision required to identify and resolve enterprise-level failures before they impact your business. Access 24 chapters and over 200 quizzes designed to sharpen your technical acumen. Bridge the gap between theory and real-world mastery today. Unlock your certification and master the network. Enroll now for full access to all essential materials and start your journey toward expert-level performance. If you require further assistance or have questions about the curriculum, our team is ready to support you at support@uCertify.com.